3, 2, 1, now. Marco's already on record. Oh, sorry about that. But, hey guys, Marco here, and we're at night right now. We're still in Texas.
Oh,
for about
hi.
10 days. We're finding a baby frog. Okay?
We already
yeah, watch this.
10 days.
Watch this.
Hey, it's me. I'm Marco's cousin. Hey, wait. Hey, I'm Marco's cousin. Hey, stop. I'm Marco's cousin.
Stop.
Come on, it's Rocky. You can do it. I'm Marco's cousin. Hi.
Nadia, can you take the earpieces? Hold these.
Can you introduce me into the video, please?
No.
Come on, dude. I'm your cousin.
We're doing the frog house.
We're doing
Wait, where'd he go? Guys, where'd he go?
I don't know.
Over where?
Where? I don't know. Where is it?
Let's
find some other frogs in here.
Look at me. This is like Slender or something.
I'm with the frog right now.
Oh, guys, if you didn't know that I play Far Cry 3.
It's okay.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Where'd he go? All right, there he is.
Hi.
Froggy.
Oh my God, a frog.
touched it. For real life inside my own hand. So?
Touch him, touch him. Aw.
It's okay, little one. You guys are petting him with a stick. What's your problem?
What the heck is wrong with you people?
Psychopaths.
Oh my God. Oh my God, he's climbing up.
Where the heck did he go?
Oh my gosh, he was about to hop on me.
Oh God!
Oh my God.
Cool.
Where'd he go?
Hi.
Where is he?
Over there.
Where'd he go?
He went in that direction.
Make
it. He's up here.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, dude. Grab on, buddy. Grab on the flashlight.
Oh my gosh.
Where the heck did he go?
Where the heck did he go?
Is he like?
Oh yeah, he's right there.
Come on.
Where is he?
He's right there.
Hey. Hi.
Stop! Dude, stop!
This is a story. This is going to be our
Where is he?
right there.
First frog hunting video.
Where did he go?
Frog hunting.
We are frog hunting. Come on, little froggy.
There he is.
Come on.
Oh God, where the heck did he go?
This is
They can't see it through the leaves. Where is he? Oh, there he is.
This is our first story of a true habit of frogs.
What the heck is your problem?
Yeah, what the heck is your problem?
I don't say stuff like that on YouTube. That's what boring YouTubers. Oh, sorry. That's what boring YouTubers say.
You know you're saying that on camera, right?
Yeah, I know exactly. I'm just giving tips to people. I'm the best.
Yeah, you are the best, dude.
Oh God, where the heck did he go?
Wait,
He's climbing up the freaking tree, guys. Let the audience see. They need to see this. Well, I think.
Dude, Nico!
how are you planning on sending this to the whole entire world?
Because I'm awesome.
He's a YouTuber.
Oh, he's right there.
Where the heck did he go? Oh God, he dropped the flashlight.
Where did he go? He went in here. He went in there. Yeah. Wait, shine the flashlight. I think I can see him with the... I see him. He's right there. He's right there.
Dude, let me see.
Right there. I can't see anything.
Right there. Heck easy. Oh, I found him.
Sorry.
Ow.
He's right there. He's standing on his legs.
Oh my gosh.
He's like chirp, 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 chirp. I'm a bird. Chirp, 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 chirp. I'm a bird.
Wait. That frog that we were chasing? It was like baby.
Yo, what's up, dog?
Hey, who
I
wants-
am a frog.
Hey, who wants to hold the camera? Hey, dude, can you hold the camera?
I'll hold the
Make sure
camera.
it records me. Make sure it records me. Hey, what's up, guys? Someone else is holding this.
it in the tree. You touched it.
Come on.
Yeah, in the tree.
Hey, let's bring him to the base.
Wait.
To the base. Away.
Where's the
Here,
frog?
so you guys could see.
Wait. I don't know if I'm insane or anything, but I think we should. I don't know. Hold it. There's no way we can hold a frog. Hey, we touched a frog, so we can hold it.
Wait, isn't the base over there?
Nah, dude, get in here. In here. Dude, get in here. Don't let him look at the ground. Wow.
Yeah, let me see the camera. Give it.
Man, is there something on my lip?
Nope.
We're in the back of a truck right now.
Hey, I think I see a frog. And I think it's a big one. I don't know if it isn't a frog or if it is. Is it me or do I see something Dude, oh yeah, that's a frog, all right. Dude,
Where?
it's a frog.
Where?
Dude, let me see it.
there.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Where?
All right. Take this. Take this.
Oh,
Hold this for a second. Wait, get down and hold this for
yes,
a second.
sir. Can we do injustice tutorials by me next?
No.
Please?
No.
He's addicted to that game.
All right. Thanks.
Oh, I almost touched it.
Where the heck is he?
I'll get the flashlight, Marco.
No, hey, what's your problem, Nadia?
touched it.
Yeah.
Marco.
See, look how big it is. Oh
Whoa,
my gosh.
that thing is
that's
huge.
a toad.
Hang on, guys. Step back so the audience can see this. This thing is huge.
The audience. Oh my god, it's hopping away. Get out.
Where's it hopping to?
It disappeared.
Oh no, we can't get it. We lost it.
Sorry, Bob.
Oh God. Dang it. Oh
We have
man.
lost the frog.
Did you take the
We have
video?
lost the frog.
Did you see the frog? Did you take the video of it?
Nah, I didn't find the frog.
Don't ask that those kinds of questions while we're filming the video. That's what not YouTube, not cool YouTubers do.
Hey, shh. It's watching. Hey guys, let's go to a dark
Giving
place.
some hints.
Hey guys, let's go to a dark place.
Yeah. Can we do a Slender reenactment in our next?
No!
Ah. Why?
I hope you guys are liking this series of me in Texas. If you're not, go frick yourself.
Because this is off the hook.
That's just mean. That's just mean, my cousin. That's just mean.
Shut the heck up.
You go call him Marco?
Come on, you're my cousin and you speak to me like
Monster! I don't think anybody could see in this thing.
Nick, get out of the footage.
Get out of the footage!
Get out of this video.
Bigfoot! What the heck?
What?
This is going to be.
Hey guys!
Ah, you weren't even in the video, Nadia. Finally, dude, you get to be in the video.
I want you to be in the video.
I want me to be the audience.
Okay, this is my friend.
Hey.
Now you're on YouTube, and you're probably going to be popular in a few days.
Probably in a
Wait,
few
hold on,
days.
dude. Show me.
What the heck is your problem?
I'm on YouTube.
Monsters! Monsters!